G'day, welcome to our flashback for this week. It's David from Be Skill Be Fit, and we're going to have a look at what we've been doing this week with the videos. Okay, so just before we get started, I've got to bring Fitz in to our video. So welcome to Fitz. How you been going with the dance with Fitz? We'd love to hear your feedback as to how you have found the dance with Fitz. So on Monday this week, we did our rolling and our bouncing. Let's check out our key points with our bouncing. We're going to go in and out, try and go a little bit fast. We can use our right hand, try and keep our up to our belly button. Remember, we want to bounce it. So just remember, we're just pushing on the ball, we're not slapping it. We want to stay in control of the ball, and we want to try and keep our head up so that we can see what's going on around us. But really important that we're just pushing on the ball each time as it comes up, not slapping it, so we can keep control. And remember, we want to use both hands, left hand, right hand, alternate, do all that, and get really confident in it so you can be using both hands. With our rolling, let's just check out our key points. Down on the ball, ready, set, go. Your fingers together, down on the ball, and go. Remember, our follow through is really important, that we finish with our hands up so that we can get power and we're using all of our body. So when we're rolling, finish with our hands up, make sure we're looking at where we're wanting to roll. Okay, so it's really important, like our step point throw with our eyes on our target. When we're kicking with our heads down, we look at the target, then put our head down. So a lot of these skills all filter into each other, and we've got to keep using that and keep building that so our skills get better and better and better. For our Tuesday, for our trick day, how did you go with spin the basketball? That's a pretty tricky one. That's one that I need to keep practicing lots and lots and lots. But another great fun skill for you to develop and keep working on it so that you can get better and better. And we'll check out how Clay went.
Okay, once you get it on top of your nose, you will notice that
So remember, we want some of these skills to be difficult, that are going to take time so you can develop them. We don't want you to be able to just pick it up and do it straight away. You know, you want to be able to work at it, get better, practice, and then you really fine-tune your skills. So keep practicing. If you found it really hard at the start, that's okay. Give it another go. Keep practicing, and you'll get better and better as you continue to practice. With our 0 to 60 challenge, how did you go with the basketball? How did you go? Did you keep score? Remember, again, that's not that easy. Hopefully you can get somewhere now where you could go and practice that one. Remember, practicing our shots, our hand on the back, hand on the side. Make sure we're bending our knees and up and flick. Remember, if you can't get it up to the basketball hoop so far, that's okay. Remember, we've got to keep practicing, and you will get it up there. Really important to bend our knees and come up so that, again, we're getting all of our body into the shot so that we can get it up to the height of the hoop. Let's check it out. All right, and then for our team challenge, you could use a cricket stump if you had one. You could use a stick. You could use a broom handle maybe. You know, there might be something that you can find at home to be able to give it a go and see how many you can get with our cricket stump challenge. If that goes really well, you can try your other hand with your left hand. Remember, we want to try and practice both sides. The other one that you could try, maybe if you had a tennis racket or something like that, you could try it on the edge of the tennis racket, which would be similar. But again, another really cool skill, hand-eye coordination for you to practice and develop. Let's see how the team went with it. Let's see how many we can get. So keep working at it, and I'm sure that your numbers will will go up and up and up as you keep practicing. For our workout on Wednesday, that was a great one. Let's check that out. And then how did you go with the skipping? How did you go? Double unders, backwards, forwards. Did you do all of that? Let's check out our workout.
Keep going.
Double unders?
Do a trick if you want with the skipping rope. Show us some.
Remember, have fun with it. Remember, you can always increase the amount of time you're doing the activity for if you're getting fitter and getting stronger, or you can still slow it down if some of them you're finding a little bit hard. But again, some of them are coordination tests as well, and then help us to work out what's happening with our body and how we're working, and as we develop our strength and our fitness level. So hopefully you are feeling you're getting fitter and getting stronger after all the workouts. Remember, you can go back to any of them at any time and try them again. Maybe if you go back to week 2 one, you might do it a whole lot easier now, and you might not have noticed that change. So you can do that at any time. Now, for our dance tutorial, oh no na, how did you go? That was a different one. Using your feet, another one, another coordination. Let's check that out.
Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na, oh na na, oh na na remix. Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh.
So that was a bit of a different one. So you can do that with a friend, or you can do that with family at home, or if you don't have anyone and you just want to practice, you could even do it against a chair or something like that that you can practice with by yourself. Just remember, don't kick it too hard, don't hurt yourself, don't hurt the furniture, but a different one again that you can have some bit of fun with. So thanks very much again for joining in this week. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll say goodbye to Fitz, and we'll see you guys next week.